My name is Geetika and today I'll be showing you how to make Gutti Vankaya curry. It's also called brinjal curry in English. Now let's get started with the ingredients. Chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, garlic, ginger, tamarind, fried black till, curry leaves, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fresh coconut, cumin seeds, cloves, cinnamon, coriander seeds, fried peanuts, chopped onions, jaggery powder, coriander, oil, brinjals. I have taken brinjals that are close to the same size as it will be easier to cook it. So as you can see, I have divided the brinjal into 4 parts from the bottom. So I have cut it on the top a little bit, and then at the bottom I've divided it into 4 parts so that we can see if there are insects in it. Let's start by frying the coriander seeds. Then I'm going to add the cumin seeds, cinnamon and cloves. Then I'm going to add the fresh coconut. Now I'm going to fry it more and then put it into a mixer. This is how it looks now. Then I'm going to add fried black till. Then I'm going to add the fried groundnuts. Then I'm going to add the garlic, ginger and tamarind. This is how it looks now. Then I'm going to add the salt, chili powder and turmeric powder. Then I'm going to add the onions. Then I'm going to add the jaggery powder. After that, I'll be adding the coriander. Now let's blend it. I've taken the mixture into a bowl and now I'm adding some of the oil. Then mix it well. After that, I'm going to add the rest of the oil onto a frying pan. Then I'm adding the curry leaves, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Now I'm going to stuff the brinjal with the mixture that we made earlier. Place them evenly across the pan. Gently stir it. Close it with a lid. Now I'm going to gently stir it. Now take the bowl that you had put the mixture earlier and add some water into it so that the leftover mixture can get mixed with the water. Now add the liquid that we made earlier while waiting. Now you can close the lid or transfer it into a pressure cooker and keep it for 1 whistle. This is your choice. You can do any one of them, but I am doing it in the frying pan. Ready, take one of the brinjal out and smash it and see if it is actually getting smashed. If it gets smashed, it means that it is ready. Delicious and tasty brinjal curry is ready.